Welcome to AI Chronicles, where we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it transforms our daily lives. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to pique your interest. 10 free AI tools you'll wish you knew sooner. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a tech enthusiast, these tools can make your life easier and more efficient. So, let's get started. 1. Grammarly. First up, Grammarly. If you're not using this tool yet, you're missing out. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you write mistake-free. It checks your grammar, punctuation, and even style. Perfect for students, writers, and professionals who want to enhance their writing. And the best part? The basic version is free. 2. Canva. Next on our list is Canva. This isn't just a graphic design tool, it's your personal design assistant. With its AI feature, Canva helps you create stunning visuals, presentations, and social media posts. No design skills? No problem. The free version offers plenty to get you started. 3. ChatGPT. Moving on to ChatGPT, the conversational AI developed by OpenAI. It's a great tool for brainstorming ideas, getting quick answers, or just having a friendly chat. The free version is perfect for casual use and exploring the capabilities of AI in generating human-like text. 4. DeepL Translator. Let's talk about DeepL Translator. If you frequently deal with multiple languages, this tool is a must-have. Known for its accuracy and nuance in translation, DeepL is powered by AI, making it one of the best free translation tools available today. 5. Audacity. For all you audio enthusiasts, Audacity is a fantastic free tool for recording and editing sound. It's open source and powered by AI, offering features like noise reduction and audio effects that are typically found in paid software. Perfect for podcasters and musicians alike. 6. Remove.bg. Ever needed to remove a background from an image but didn't have Photoshop skills? Enter Remove.bg. This AI tool automatically removes backgrounds from images in seconds. It's free for low-resolution downloads, making it perfect for quick edits and personal projects. 7. Trello. Organize your projects with Trello. This tool uses AI to help you manage tasks and collaborate with team members effortlessly. The free version offers plenty of features, including boards, lists, and cards, helping you keep track of everything with ease. 8. Hemingway Editor. If you want to improve the readability of your writing, look no further than Hemingway Editor. This AI tool highlights complex sentences and suggests simpler alternatives. The free online version is perfect for anyone looking to make their writing clear and concise. 9. Lumen 5. Now, let's turn to video creation with Lumen 5. This AI-powered tool helps you create engaging videos from text. It's perfect for marketers and content creators who want to turn blog posts into videos. The free version offers basic features to get you started. 10. Google Photos. Finally, we have Google Photos. While it might not seem like an AI tool at first glance, its AI-driven features like automatic categorization, facial recognition, and photo enhancements make managing your photo library a breeze. Plus, it's free for storing high-quality images. And there you have it. 10 free AI tools you'll wish you knew sooner. Each of these tools has the potential to make your life easier and more productive. They're accessible, user-friendly, and best of all, free. Try them out and see which ones work best for you. Thanks for watching AI Chronicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI insights. Let us know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.